What is up, innovation family? So this is how you operate the F-type Jaguar. First, you hit the unlock button to open the door. The handle's going to pop out. You just pull the handle towards you. Then you get inside the vehicle. This is how you start the vehicle. You hit that little red Jaguar icon right there. You hold your foot, put the foot on the brake like any other push to start. Push the little red icon in, or logo, I should say. And then that's how you start the vehicle. And then for the doors, have the adjusters for the seats. You see right there, you want to push it back. As far as the back part, you hit that button right there, the bottom part, to slide it towards you. And to put the car in park or in drive, got a trigger button in the back there. You want to hold it down like you're in a jet or a plane, and you push it up for reverse and down for neutral and drive, but hold the trigger button. For the gas tank, what you want to do is you want to hit the unlock button on the key, then open up the gas tank, and then you want to slide to the left for the open up the gas tank. You got to go slowly, and then you should come right off. Tighten it up, turn it right, and you'll hear it click when it's locked as far as the gas tank.